All right, this is my wife's 2008 350Z base model, and today we're going to take this bad boy apart and get her done. Very upsetting because it's just a plastic half gear, and the part costs $180 to $250. In my other show, or my other video, whatever, I talked about replacing all this. This is going to pop out. Not as easy for you as for me, because I've done it several times and a couple beers later. So there's 6 of these, both, and they're 12 millimeter. And then there are 2 10 millimeters. You take this out, all this pops out, and this is the only part that you're going to take apart. Leave all this other stuff intact. And my other video, I go over that. So let's get to the good stuff here. What you're gonna need to take it out of your car is a 12 and a 10. You may not have T handles, that's cool. Or 12 and a 10. 1 beer, because this is gonna take you about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I like to have a cup to put my stuff in, nuts and bolts, and then safety glasses if you're a guy who wants to disconnect the battery, knock yourself out. So here's your big ass Phillips screwdriver, and there's 2 uses for these. 1, in a case like this, you're going to take these out, and 2, believe it or not, I have killed a skunk with 2 of these. Boy, that was good times, but that's a different story. So let's get at it. You're going to take these 2 off, and then that'll get you to about 10 of these. And I'm going to take these off. You don't need to see me do it, and then I'll come back. Okay, so we're back. This is actually the part number if you have to finally, after 2 years, buy one. So I took the small screws out. They're all in here. Good stuff. And this is the other part that comes off. No big deal. Alright, so here's the go. Take this off. Love that part. Alright, so here's your problem right here. This half moon shape right here, this gear, you can see the teeth have finally puked on me after 2 years. And what happens is, my theory is, the struts go bad on you. As I said in my other video, this thing slams faster, and then that half gear, or faster, harder, whatever, that half gear there that you saw, half shape moon gear, whatever, that spins, goes too far, and then later on it starts to strip. So replace these. I got these pretty decent ones, not the cheapo ones, but decent ones on Amazon. I've had them for about 6 months and they work just fine. I think the gear was just always puked from the old one. So, and I just took a grinder to that. That's like a 12, between a 12 and 11 millimeter there. I just took a grinder to it, the heck with it. All right, let's get back to this. This is what you came for. So what happens is, see these rubber balls right here? They kind of go south on you when that hatch slams really hard. This gear spins all the way back and goes too far. So you can see there's 2 balls. What you can do, the first thing you do first time around, is just replace these, because one's going to be chewed up pretty good. So just pull these out, pull these out. Try not to mess with all of this. You know, less is better, okay? So what happens is, this bad boy, see, it goes around and it gets kind of jammed in here. Hold on, guys. And it goes all the way back too far, and then it jams, okay? So you can see I've actually taken this ball out and put another stopper in, but you can kind of tell my gears right there are pretty shot, okay? So this is the issue here that's costing you $250. So you open it up your first time through, the thing is stuck. Just pry, because it's going to be stuck like I just had it. It's going to be stuck like this. And when I had to talk my wife through it over the phone, I just said put a screwdriver in there and pry it slightly, and the whole thing will pop back. And that got her a couple more months until finally the shit hit the fan, so to speak. So you can, this one here, I'm going to replace anyways, so you can see what's going on here. And so now you can see everything much better. Sorry about that. Pull that off, pull that off. If you can find, this is the only thing that needs to be replaced, this half gear. If you can find one like that, fantastic. I would avoid using this. Oh, a little M&M, sorry about that. I would strongly suggest not buying a used one because this gear is going to be shot. All right, there you go, guys.